First, ensure the Wi-Fi icon on the controller is blinking, and confirm that your device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, press and hold the power button until the lock icon disappears to unlock the controller. Then, press and hold the timer and down arrow button at the same time until the display changes. After the display changes to match what's shown in the video, open the Smart Life app and navigate to the home page. Tap the Add Device button, and then select Large Home Appliances. After that, scroll down and select Water Heater Wi-Fi. Insert your Wi-Fi password and tap Next when you are done. Tap on Confirm the indicator is blinking. Then select Blink quickly. Once all the steps are done, wait for the device to be added to your network. Tap on Done to complete.